So a subscriber to the channel named John Lord, as a gift he sent me a fire can, and it's a totally self-contained camp stove where it's just crammed full of cooking gear. And it's my understanding that there are multiple ways that this fire can may be used, not just for boiling water or frying up some food, but if I'm correct, you can also use this to bake with also. But this, a gift that somebody sent us.
Is it for us or
Yes, it is for us. And it was a gift that somebody sent us. So we are going to be very appreciative and very thankful for this gift.
What's inside it?
Well, let's find out. Whoa, right now, it's a lot of these packing peanuts.
I can't wait to see what's in there.
All right, we've got all those little packing styrofoam bits out of there. Let's see this thing. Ooh.
I like that.
You liking it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
That's so beautiful.
Look at this. That is beautiful. That is an awesome.
I wonder what's in it.
Well, we're going to find out here in a second.
Mm-hmm.
That is an awesome. That is just beautiful. With the stainless steel and everything.
We'll see what's in that. We're just going to see what's... Ooh. And that's so cool. It's so cool it can really turn around. I love that.
You like this?
Mm-hmm.
Well, son, like I told you, this was a gift from somebody. And we're very, very grateful for this gift. You excited to see what's inside?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we've not opened it up yet, have we? We do not know what's inside. All right.
I don't know what's inside. Wow, it's so cool.
That is cool.
So cool.
All right. This is going to be part of the stove. Well, I think that one of the things that you'll put, when you're going to cook something, you'll put it on top of here. I wonder what this is.
Me too. I don't know what it is in there. Whoa!
Whoa!
That's so cool. That's so cool, and that's be proud of something.
I will 100% admit, I do not know what this is, what this will be used for, but I am sure that this has some kind of a very, even though I don't know what it's used for at this point, I'm sure that when I find out what I learn that it's used for.
Dad, what's this?
Well, let's take this out one at a time, okay, son? This is really tightly packed. This is packed for maximum space usage. I bet this bottom pushes out for something. All right. Very compact.
Whoa, what is that?
Oh, oh look.
Whoa.
These, you can cook little muffins in them. They're silicone. You can make muffins in them, and then after they're done cooking, you pop them out like this.
Yeah.
Or maybe not even muffins. I wonder if you can even bake eggs in them. I don't know. I've never cooked with silicone before. We'll find out. We'll research it and see if we can do that. We won't want to ruin them on accident because this is a gift from somebody, so we want to
Be thankful.
be thankful, yes.
And you know what these are?
Uh-oh.
These are hand grabbers.
You just say hand grabbers? Yeah, you got it. So, let's say we're using the stove. And if we've got a hot we got something hot on there, like a hot bowl, we can grab it and take it off without burning our hands. Isn't that cool?
You can pens too.
Huh?
You can wear pens too.
They can pinch also. Da-da, da-da, arr!
I hate you. Just.
No, don't eat me, no! Oh, gotcha.
Go. I got you.
All right, let's see what else is inside here.
We haven't did this yet. Well, we already did that. We want to be thankful for our stuff.
Yes. So, son, the gentleman that gave this to us, his name is John Lord. All right. And he was very graceful, very kind to give this gift to us. And I can already tell this thing is solid built, and this will be something that you and I will use, and that I should even be able to pass off to you, where you can use it too when we go camping, and then when you get older and go camping, and when you take your own son camping, this will be passed off to you. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Hopefully this will be something that we keep in our family for many, many years to come. All right, I absolutely do not know what this is for. I have to admit, completely do not know what this is for.
Me neither. I don't know what this is for. Let's check what that is.
What this is?
I think we always check that. We always saw it and then there's nothing in there.
No, there's nothing in there. But do you see what it does?
Yeah.
I believe it's a drinking cup. It pops out. It collapses like this. And then when you're ready to drink, you pour your water in there and you drink from it. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Well, I like those.
You like these?
The one to grab something.
Yeah.
When the fire and there's something really hot, then we can use the head thing and this to grab it.
I think that's what they're for. And I also, so if you got something hot, I think you can pick up hot stuff with it. And I think there's going to be some other uses where maybe you can hang a bottle over the fire and other stuff like that.
And there's more stuff.
But I think there's going to be multiple uses for these that I will just have to research and find out on. But it's really cool how all of this stuff is compact into this stove that allows you to carry it. Whoa! Look at this ferro rod.
Do you know what I can do with it?
Yeah.
And it's like
So we're going to have to get some of the coating off. Whoa! See that? You want to try it? Whoa! Let me check that spark over there. That is a kick butt. Alright, let Daddy have the knife back, okay? Knives are very sharp. This is an awesome big ferro rod. This is the largest ferro rod I have ever had in my life.
I know how to done my life.
Huh?
I know how to done my life. I hadn't.
Man. Well, these, they're stuck together, aren't they? They're bowls.
If you put something in there and it's hot,
So when you're cooking with it,
then you can just wipe it away.
well, when you're cooking with it, you've got your bowls that you on top of here. And look, when you're done heating up whatever you're cooking, then you use this to take it off with.
Dad, can I do that?
Yeah.
So that can't get burnt. So our hands don't get burned.
Yeah, so your hands don't get burnt. Look, it's another bowl. See, it'll go on top of this. And it's another bowl. Awesome, stainless steel. Very sturdy. You want to go ahead and take it off? Oh, and two more bowls. Again, all stainless steel and all solid. This is a lot of stuff in this one small container, isn't it? All right, son.
Whoa, that's a wig.
So look, this looks like somebody took, and I'm guessing John took the time to hand cut this so it fits inside here. Whoops. Alright, and again, we'll have to figure out if this is made so that you can bake in here. We'll just have to figure that out. We'll have to use this and learn how it works. And son, look.
And look, Dad.
Little lids to go for these. And let's see the silverware here. Wow. Very good silverware. Stainless steel. It's not aluminum. Very good, solid silverware. Excellent. Very good.
I'm gonna.
Oh, look, son. A second set of the silverware.
That has a knife.
Yeah.
A knife can cut. It can really hook.
Well, son, let's test this out. Now, I didn't use it in this video, but the stainless steel casing can also be used to sit on top of the burner and used to boil water or heat up larger amounts of food. And I'm also thinking that it can be used to bake foods also. So John, in past photos that you had emailed me on this fire can, the chimney portion had a door cut into it to allow the feeding of sticks or other biomass into it to keep the fire going. But when the one that you sent me arrived, it did not have that opening cut into it. So I quickly cut one into it to allow me to feed sticks into it when I went to use it. And now I'm just praying that I didn't screw up the design. I'm just hoping that there was supposed to be the opening, and that again, that I didn't mess it up by making my own. And after I did it and started using it, I pretty quickly realized that I should have cut that opening a little lower instead of so high. But unfortunately, that's hindsight 2020 for me now. So the first thing I did was I got my fire starting materials ready, and then I fired the stove up. And then I fed the sticks in through the side to keep it going. And then I grabbed a can of soup out of my canned goods that I have stockpiled. And then I grabbed a can of the bacon flavored Spam and I sliced that up thinly. And the first thing I did was I heated up that can of soup, and within just a couple of minutes it had turned into a simmer and got hot enough to eat. And folks, this video was not to show off what I got or to rub it in any way of like, haha, look what I got because I have a prepping channel. This video was to pay a proper thank you to John Lord for giving it to me out of his kindness. And then after the soup was finished, I then fried up a couple of pieces of that bacon flavored Spam, and as you can see here, it got the pieces sizzling and cooked them just fine. And also, when you watch one of my videos and then go to read the comments or leave a comment yourself, be sure to watch out for any comments left by John Lord, because he always leaves extremely well thought out and beneficial comments for the prepping community. But John, I hope I didn't butcher up anything too badly in today's video. I know that this video didn't show what that stove is truly capable of. But I wanted to extend a proper thank you for sending it to me. I truly appreciate it, and I don't take your kindness for granted. Anyways, folks, I hope you enjoyed the video, and God bless, and I hope that you're having a good week.